Hey guys, Eric Schellenberger here. I'm going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT and AI to increase your online presence and increase your marketing for your bar or restaurant. So right now we're going to go over to, you can Google ChatGPT or you can just go to chat.openai.com. It'll get you to something like this. It's been really bogged down lately, so I hope it'll work right now. We'll give it a shot. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to let AI create the most search engine friendly versions of your descriptions, your keywords, all that stuff that you can implement in your Google My Business page and your website. So we're going to type in something like this. So right here at the bottom, I said, show me a search engine friendly description of a great sushi restaurant located in Old Town Scottsdale called Geisha A Go Go. So this is a client of mine. I've got the word, this is very specifically written. I have search engine friendly. I have the location. I have the neighborhood, both the neighborhood and the city. And I've got the name of the business. So once we get all that stuff, I'm going to hit generate. And ChatGPT comes up with a very quick search engine friendly description. You can use the word SEO friendly. You can use any sort of other word like that that is going to tell it that you want to appeal to search engines. You could say Google friendly if you want. So anyway, here is a description it just came up with. If you want to do these for Apple, I know Apple Maps requires a way smaller description. So if you type in for Apple Maps, it gets it right sometimes, and it'll give you, I think it's like 160 characters. It's like basically one sentence. This is for Google, so we're going to keep it long. So it's written a little weird. Culinary experience, exquisite sushi restaurant nestled in blah, blah, blah. So if you see, it's got the name of the business. It's got the keyword sushi restaurant. It's got all these things that appeal to search engines in it. If it sounds a little weird and you're like, I don't know if that's quite how I would say it, keep in mind, this isn't necessarily, humans are going to read this, yes, but mostly computers are going to read this. So you can regenerate it as many times as you want. If you want to go down to the bottom, regenerate it again, it'll kick out completely different new version of it. Find the one you like. When you're ready, we're going to head over to Google My Business or Google Business Profile, which is called now. Google.com/business. It's going to get you here. You're going to log in up here, sign in or manage now, kind of do the same thing. So you're going to log in over there, and we're going to end up on a profile that looks like this. So first things first, make sure this profile strength has the completely green circle on it. It's probably it may be yellow, it may be incomplete, but it'll prompt you right there. It says looks good. It'll say, please upload a picture of your menu or whatever it is to get that green. Go ahead and do it. Get it complete. It's all only going to increase your visibility. So once we get here, we're going to go to edit profile. Now this is all of the information regarding your attributes, your questions, your categories. Categories are a big one. So Google allows us 10 categories. By all means, use all 10. And they're predetermined categories. You can't make them up. So if it's not a category, if you type in something like lunch and lunch isn't there, ironically, whatever, keep typing in words till you get to where to where a category exists. So I've got 10 there. This description right here is where you paste that information generated by ChatGPT right into here. And if you notice, this paragraph is different than the one we just generated because, like I said, it keeps regenerating a new paragraph every time you do it. So make sure this is as thorough as possible. Service areas are big. Where do you want to show up in a Google search? We've got everything we could possibly add to this profile. All your Google attributes are filled out. These are all the attribute questions. There's about 50 of them. They're yes or no questions. Even if it's a no, don't leave it blank. Put no. We want to be thorough. The more thorough we are, the more Google likes our information. Anyway, that's that. So once you get all that stuff in there, you can take the stuff generated from ChatGPT. You can give it to your web guy. He can add this into the website description of the About Us page. And then also, if I want to say, let me see if Chat is going to come up with this answer because it has been really bogged down lately. I've been getting errors. Let me try this. Show me search engine friendly keywords for a great sushi restaurant located in Old Town Scottsdale. On this one, I'm going to leave the name of the business off. I don't necessarily want the name of the business included in this. We want more of a generic keyword. So search engine friendly keywords, sushi restaurant, Old Town Scottsdale. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So there you go. We've got 15 great keywords. These do have traffic going to them. So this doesn't give us, like, keyword research is way more involved than this. It doesn't show us competition. It doesn't show us pay-per-click if you were to do a campaign like that. It doesn't show us a lot of metrics, but instead of guessing, this is a very good way to come up with some keywords that do have volume to them. People are actually typing that word in. So this is something you give your SEO guy. This is something that you can integrate into your website in the correct ways. And it's not, using ChatGPT and AI is a lot simpler than you may think. So anyway, hope this helps. Hit me up if you need anything further. barmarketingbasics.com or Eric, ERIK, at barmarketingbasics.com. Thank you.